We've got this camera going over the fence to the neighbor's property, and we're going into this manhole to cut the roots. From the neighboring property, we remove some root growth, pressure test the junction bladder, and then start prepping, wetting out the connection collar. This will rehabilitate the cracked junction between the properties. I'm going to start pressurizing. We are now pressurized at under a bar. You can see the bladder sticking into the junction. Okay, I'm going to slowly depressurize. Melvin has got the rods. Moving backwards through the repairs, we have our fiberglass patch at the end, coming back to the junction collar, which is substituted by another fiberglass patch further up, and then moving back to the last two fiberglass patches, covering all the root growth on this line.